So this is the C200 Progressive 3, which is the C-Class petrol that we are sitting in. So what we have here is a 1.5 liter petrol engine with the EQ Boost technology and with the 184 bhp engine, and we'll be going through the features of the vehicle. So we'll start with the driver's side door. So here we've got a 12-way adjustable seat which can move front and back. The height can be raised or lowered. The front height can be raised or lowered. And you've got additional thigh support as well, along with the backrest and the headrest moving. And you've got a lumbar support which is down on the driver's side. And you've got a memory function here, which you've got 3 memory functions. So the way you activate the memory function is when you want to set a memory. Suppose you want to set the driver's memory on number 1. So you click M along with any of the buttons in which you want to feed the function, and you hear a beep, after which it is activated. So here, suppose this is my memory seat. Now I will activate the memory. So we heard the beep and now the memory is set according to me. So even if I change the settings, and even the mirrors get set according to the driver's memory. So if I change the mirror functions, now I just click 1 and it's all going back to my original function seats. Even the steering wheel adjusts according to the memory because it's electronic steering that we've got in the new C-Class. Further on, we can move to the headlights. The headlights, we've got automatic headlights which is supposed to be in the center. On the left you've got the function for the DRL, and on the right is the headlights on. Normally we keep it on center as the automatic headlights. Similarly, we've got automatic rain sensing wipers which is supposed to be kept on the first dotted line. So which when the wipers start automatically when it's raining. And we've got a silver button here which activates the spray for your wipers. Okay, we can go to the screen. So the new C-Class comes with the digital display in which we can change the settings. So we can change the look of the display. We click the home button and go into design, and we can choose between the sport design, which is this, or the classic design, or we can go to the progressive design. So we've got 3 designs for the center screen. On the steering wheel, we've got something known as cruise control out here. So the cruise control can be activated from here. By pushing the button up, you activate cruise control, and we can cancel it by pushing this button down. And here we can change between the cruise control and the speed limiter. Similarly, on this side, this button is to answer and cut calls, volume up and down, and mute. And you've got a Distronic in which you can talk to the vehicle. So this we will come to later on. And you've got a trackpad here from which you can control the center screen. Similarly, we've got another touchpad out here which controls the center screen as well. And you've got your toggle as well to control the center screen. So in the center screen, we need to look at media and telephone, which works via Bluetooth connectivity only. So you can go to the media sources and Bluetooth audio, and you connect player. This is how you can connect any screen. You start search on the system and you can connect any phone, which will connect not only your Bluetooth media but also your calls. Another thing that is really important is the 64 color ambient light that is available in this car. So you got a 64 color ambient light in this car. So you go to light settings, ambient lighting, and then we can choose between the 64 color options that we've got in the vehicle. So these, as we've already seen, are all the 64 colors that are available in the vehicle. Now we will be looking at the Apple CarPlay. We can go to the AC controls till then. AC, we've got a 2-zone climate control in the C-Class. So we've got a temperature for the driver, we got a temperature for the co-passenger, and then we've got the fan speed, which can be adjusted from here. So fan speed, temperature, and we can sync the entire car's temperature. So suppose the co-driver is at 20 and the driver is at 16, we can just click sync, which will sync both the temperatures to 16 degrees Celsius. And we've got the direction of flow out here, and this is the front defogger and the rear defogger. This is internal circulation to circulate the air within the car and not pull any outside air. So here we can see the Apple CarPlay. Now all we have to do, at the moment you plug in the cable, you'll get the option on the screen. So you just click automatically and you go to accept and start. The moment you do that, Apple CarPlay will be mirrored. You got to use Apple CarPlay. So Apple CarPlay is really useful because it gives you real-time assistance. You can use your Google Maps. You can use, most of your apps are compatible. So WhatsApp, Instagram Messenger, you can use Spotify and YouTube Music. So any app that is compatible will show up on your screen and you can use it easily. So it's a really user-friendly feature, especially for a driver. And another thing is we can go to the center dial here. So we got some 360-degree proximity sensors in this vehicle. So in case the proximity sensors are beeping too much in our traffic conditions, they can be turned off from here. So when the red light is on, the proximity sensors are all turned off, and when the red light is off, all the sensors are on. Here we've got something known as the Eco Start Stop, which can be kept on or off. So when the Eco Start Stop is on and we come and halt on a signal, the engine automatically cuts off to save some fuel, which gives you better mileage in the end. So we can keep that on. When the green light is on, the Eco Start Stop function is on. On this side of the dial, we've got a button to put down the rear blind shade. So I click the button and the rear blind shade goes down. And similarly, you click it again to bring it on top. Now we've got a sunroof on top. So you've got a dial here. You click it once and the blinds open. And on the second click, the glass opens. So now this is a full panoramic sunroof in which the rear is a moonroof and the front is a proper sliding sunroof. Now we can come to this car, is the new car, the Progressive 3, as we spoke, with the Mercedes Me Connect. So Mercedes Me Connect is something wherein if you need some assistance in a breakdown condition, you click the Mercedes Me button and you will get assistance within half an hour, or you will get some backup and you can speak to someone. We've got our call centers in Bangalore, which we've tied up with Bosch, where you will get a direct call and you can get any assistance anywhere in India. You got another SOS button in case of an accident or any emergency situation. We click the SOS button and a direct call goes to emergency services, when you get emergency services like ambulances, tow trucks, fire trucks to assist you. In case the car meets with an accident and the airbags are blown, the car automatically makes a call to the emergency SOS center in Bangalore and they send you backup services to ensure that you are safe. So we can just demonstrate the SOS function once. So we click the button and the car is going to make a call to the emergency service center in Bangalore.
Mercedes-Benz Emergency Center, how can I help you?
This call is for training purposes. Thank you.
Okay, so do you require any information from my end?
No, thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
So that's how we've seen the call goes within 30 seconds when you need any emergency services. Another thing that we need to know is this car has 5 driving modes. So we've got Eco, Comfort, Sport, Sport Plus and Individual. So this is the dynamic toggle switch to control the different driving modes. So we can see in the center screen here, we got Eco, which is the economical driving mode which you can use in the city, and you got Comfort, which is again more of a city use because the suspension remains on a comfort mode. Your steering is soft and your engine is giving you good performance along with giving you good fuel consumption. Another thing is you got Sport and Sport Plus, in which your engine starts revving higher, gives you better performance. So your suspension becomes stiffer, steering wheel becomes more responsive. So another Sports Plus is for driver-friendly people who really want to enjoy their vehicles. You can shift to Sports Plus and you can enjoy the full power of the vehicle. Another mode that we've got is individual mode, which is a self-adaptive mode. So individual mode it means that in case you're going for a long drive and you do not want to get tired, because if your steering is going to be stiff, you're going to get tired in a long journey. So if you do not want to get tired in individual mode, what you can do is you can keep the drive quality, which is the engine and transmission, on Sports Plus mode, and you can keep the steering on a comfort mode. So what that does is it gives you a smooth and soft steering wheel along with giving you maximum performance from your engine. So it gives you the best performance and you'll never get tired in a long run journey. So another really unique feature and a USP of this car is we've got a voice command technology, so which gets activated by pushing this button on top. So we'll see the few features that can be activated by the voice command. Ambient light blue.
Ambient light blue.
So we've seen the ambient lights have turned blue. So you can connect all the 64 colors via this. Temperature 16 degrees.
Temperature 16 degrees.
Reading lights on.
Reading light on.
So these are the few features that we can use with the voice command. And also when your iPhone is connected or when your Android is connected and your contacts are synced with the vehicle, you can just push up and say call, so call along with the name of the person, and the car will connect the call for you. So all this is really driver friendly. When you're driving, you don't need to look into your phone and get distracted again and again. Now you have to look at the screen to change ambient light or to on some lights in the car. You can do it all via the voice command technology.